Now, to all TikTokers, this one is a great idea. Being that it is festive season, I'm telling you that we are organizing something wow, something that is going to unite all the TikTokers. On 17th, of which will be Saturday, Auka Junior will be hosting all talent search. For those people that are interested, if you want to showcase, those who can dance, those who can show their muscles, those who can twang, those who can twerk, those Omari, we accept all the varieties. And in every category, we are going to reward you 5,000 for the person that is going to win. If you can sing well and you become number one, I'm telling you that you'll go with 5,000 shillings. Position 2, we are going to award 3,000 shillings, and position 3 is going to go with 2,000 shillings. And this one is in all the categories. Those who will dance, those who will sing, those who will show their muscles, those who will twerk, all the categories. So let's tune in and follow Auka Junior on TikTok. The co-host will be Nelly Noel. Our sponsors, we have King Bazenga. Then we also have Caroline, Baba Angie. There are so many, we cannot mention all of them. Let's tune in and enjoy.